This ain't perfect, but it's there. So pretty soon I'm gonna, well, tomorrow, not soon, I'm gonna put a plastic roofing on the top and do rainwater collecting system right here. And since I'm on a slope, my water is gonna be gravity fed going downhill, which is gonna be perfect for me. So what we did was we took this auger from Harbor Freight. We dug them down all the way to the bottom, probably like 32 inches or something like that. Buried it. The sand is like clayish, so we didn't really need to use concrete mix. What we did was we packed in the floor, packed it all in, and shoot, it's solid. So getting pretty windy out here.